This presentation is brought to you by Kingmans Resources, your first line of defense. Kingmans Resources is led by Mr. Charles Elliott, who has over 48 years military and security experience in Africa and abroad, and has built up an enviable reputation as a trusted advisor to the defense, homeland, and commercial security industry worldwide. Kingmans Resources, with its joint venture partners, is a multifaceted defense business operating in more than 20 countries and serving more than 50 highly reputed clients worldwide. Kingmans Resources is a South African company registered with the Directorate of Arms Control and the Ministry of Defense in South Africa, the South African Council for the Non-Proliferation of Weapons of Mass Destruction, the MPC, and the South African Aerospace, Maritime and Defense Industry Association, the AMD. What we do. The main task and function of Kingmans Resources is to represent selected arms and weapons manufacturers worldwide on a contract basis, acting as the manufacturer's representative in Africa. When doing this, we are working with either relevant private licensed companies or on a government-to-government basis. By doing this, we are adding value to the distribution channel by bringing in our intermediate skills and resources to establish market linkage between our clients and their customers. In short, we provide several benefits to both manufacturers and consumers: improved efficiency, a better assortment of products and equipment, routinization of transactions, and easier search for the right equipment and/or services. Kingmans Resources, acting as the manufacturer's representative, represents selected reputable defense industries within these countries on a contract basis: Bulgaria, Romania, Austria, Germany, Ukraine, and Turkey. We also act as procurement agents for various African militaries, and part of our responsibility is not only to ensure the client has up-to-date information on the latest equipment available on the market, but can also provide the function to look, if required, for the best supplier that can provide our clients with the right product at competitive prices. We supply new, used, and refurbished aircraft and helicopters, ammunition, artillery and large gun systems, armored vehicles and tanks, explosives, propellants and additives, infantry and combat system support equipment, infantry weapons and guns, rocket and missile systems, remote piloted vehicles, and riot control equipment. We overhaul, upgrade, and supply spares for aircraft engines and spare components for the Mi-8, 17, 24 and Mi-28 helicopters, IL-76 heavy transport aircrafts, MiG-21, 23, 27 and MiG-29, Su-22, 24, 25 and Su-27, Kavad-2L surface-to-air missile, air defense system, RSP ground approach systems, most makes of radar stations, P-190 surveillance radar, T-72 tanks, T-55 AMV tanks, BMP-1M infantry combat vehicle, MT Lambitish tracked vehicle, BTR-70 armored personnel carrier, D-30 122mm howitzers, and the MT-12 100mm anti-tank gun. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kingmans Resources, your first line of defense.